Ever wondered what documents are required for GST registration? Well, let's demystify the process. GST, or Goods and Services Tax, is a crucial part of business operations. This consumption-based tax applies at every stage of production or distribution of goods and services. So it's vital for businesses to understand their GST obligations, register accordingly, and comply with all tax regulations to maintain smooth operations and avoid legal complications. Now that you know why GST registration is important, let's dive into the specific documents you'll need. So, what documents do you need in your hands before you start the GST registration process? First, you'll need a form of ID verification, such as your voter ID, passport, PAN, or Aadhaar card. 2. You'll need evidence of your address, which could be your passport, Aadhaar card, driver's license, or utility bills. 3. Be prepared to provide business registration documents and your company's bank account details, such as a bank statement or check. 4. If someone else is submitting the application on your behalf, you'll need a letter of authorization. In some cases, a digital signature certificate may be needed for online submissions. 5. If your business is located in an SEZ, a letter of agreement may be necessary. Lastly, additional documents may be required depending on the specifics of your operations. Remember, having these documents ready before starting the registration process can save you a lot of time and hassle. With all your documents ready, how do you go about the GST registration process? Let's take it step by step. First, navigate to the official GST portal and find the Services tab. Under this, select Registration. Here, you'll click on New Registration. Next, fill in the required details. This includes your company's legal name, its permanent account number, email, mobile number, and the state where it's based. After you've entered all this, you'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number and email. Simply enter these for verification. Once verified, a temporary reference number or TRN will be generated. Note this down. Now, return to the registration page. This time, select Temporary Reference Number (TRN). Enter the TRN you received and complete the GST registration application form with your business details. Then, upload the scanned copies of the required documents, review your application, and hit Submit. The GST department will then verify your application and documents. And that's it. You're now ready to take on the GST registration process. Remember, preparation is key to a smooth registration process. For more details, check out the link in the description.